Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to scan on an HP Deskjet 2742e printer. This will be an easy tutorial, so let's get right into the video. All that you need is the actual printer. You need it to be plugged in and connected to the Wi-Fi network. You need a document that you want to scan. In my case, I just scribbled on this piece of paper. And you need your phone with the HP Smart app. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to open my phone, okay, just like that. Put in, this is an old phone, just so you know. This isn't my regular phone. It's an older iPhone that I use just for the purposes of videos like this. We're going to go into the HP Smart app, which is right over here. And then I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to go to the option that is about scanning. So printer scan. So before I actually hit that button, I'm going to go and I'm going to open this lid. Okay. So we're going to open this lid. This is where you scan the document. You want to place your document face down, and the top of it, you want to put on the right side. So let's imagine this is the top. It's going to go on the right side. So the top is on the right side and it's face down. Line it up nicely within the glass panel, like you can see right there. That's how you're going to get the best end result. Close the lid nice and gently, because if you close it too fast, it's going to make everything blow around, okay, due to the air displacement. And then we're going to go to printer scan. So I'm going to touch printer scan. It says place the content on the scanner, then press start. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to push start, which is right over here. You can choose your options at the top, but I'm going to push start right over here. And what's happening now is it's actually scanning. You can't really hear it. I can hear it in person, but it's actually scanning the document. So check that out. That's my Scribble document that I just created for the purposes of this video, and it's scanning the document. So when it's done, you can then save the document, do a whole bunch of things with it. So it's really, really cool. That's basically it. That is how to scan on this printer. And once again, just for clarity, this printer is the HP Deskjet 2742e printer. That's how to scan. And that's it. If you like this video, and you can obviously resize it. I just moved it to the side over here, but you can obviously resize it to be the exact proportions that you want. That's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.